Hi there, it's 97 the Tech Geek. Today, just a quick video off the back of the WWDC conference. So iOS 18, iPadOS 18, and visionOS, etc. have all had releases. So if you're a developer, you are eligible to download the latest version. So to do this, as I'm interested in iOS 18, all you need to do is go to Google and type in beta. Let's see if Bing is any use. There it is. So it's the official one is beta.apple.com. I'll leave a link in the description. Simply click sign in. Probably best to do this actually on your Apple device. So for iOS 18, these are the different features that you'll be getting should you go ahead and do it. So what I'll do, I will transition this onto my phone. So on the phone, simply you just need to go to your settings app, then go to general, software update. Because I have gone ahead and paid for the developer license, I get the access to developer beta. So simply change from iOS 17 beta if you were partaking in that to iOS 18. Once you do that, it will come up saying that there's the beta available. Simply download that one and then apply that, and then you'll be on iOS 18. Obviously, don't run this if it's your daily phone, because there may be weird bugs that and certain apps just don't support it, so I wouldn't recommend it. But yeah, that's how you get iOS 18. Many thanks for you watching. Goodbye.